Every year, ambitious men chase me with the same burning question. What's the next big investment? Which stock will make me rich? When should I buy? When should I sell? They believe wealth is hiding inside a ticker symbol. They think success is about timing the market perfectly. But after decades of watching fortunes rise and collapse, I can tell you something most people don't want to hear. Your financial destiny is not decided on Wall Street. It's decided at your dinner table. The most important investment you will ever make is not a stock. It's not real estate. It's not crypto. It's the person you choose to build your life with. Marriage isn't just romance. It isn't a wedding day or honeymoon photos. It is a 50-year business partnership. It is a permanent merger. And like any merger, it can either multiply value or destroy it completely. When you buy a bad stock, the worst-case scenario is clear. It goes to zero. You lose your capital. Painful, yes, but finite. When you choose the wrong partner, the downside is not capped. It spreads into every area of your existence. Your focus weakens. Your health declines. Your ambition fades. Your peace disappears. And slowly, quietly, your potential erodes. The real currency of success is not money. It is cognitive bandwidth. Every morning, you wake up with a limited supply of mental clarity. That clarity determines the quality of your decisions. And the quality of your decisions determines the direction of your life. If you come home each night to chaos, criticism, emotional instability, or endless drama, your mental reserves are drained before the next day even begins. You cannot think clearly. You cannot take intelligent risks. You cannot build anything meaningful while fighting a war inside your own home. The market is ruthless. Business is competitive. Life is unpredictable. You cannot win a two-front war, one outside, one inside, for very long. But the opposite is also true. If you choose wisely, you create an invisible advantage that compounds daily. The right partner becomes your psychological fortress. They protect your peace. They steady your emotions during turbulence. They give you space to think long-term. And long-term thinking is where real wealth lives. There is another hidden danger few people talk about: lifestyle pressure. Many men don't go broke because of bad investments. They go broke trying to maintain an image: bigger houses, newer cars, expensive vacations, private schools, not because they want them, but because they feel pressured to provide them. If your partner measures life by what others think, you will live on an endless treadmill. You will take risks you shouldn't take. You will chase income instead of building assets. You will sacrifice freedom for appearances. True wealth requires patience. Patience requires stability. Stability requires a partner who values substance over status. Ask yourself a difficult question. If tomorrow your income dropped by 50%, would your partner stand firm or panic? Bull markets hide weak foundations. When money is flowing, everyone feels confident. But when fear spreads, when markets crash, when uncertainty dominates, that is when character is revealed. During crisis, a fragile partner amplifies fear. They demand action. They pressure you to sell at the worst possible moment. They turn external problems into internal conflict. But a strong partner does the opposite. They remain calm. They remind you of your long-term plan. They anchor you when emotion tries to pull you under. In investing, we call this a margin of safety. In life, it's the same principle. Then there is ego. As success grows, so does pride. The world begins to agree with you. Employees praise you. Friends admire you. Few people challenge you. And that's when mistakes become expensive. You don't need a cheerleader at home. You need a truth teller. You need someone intelligent enough to question your assumptions, brave enough to disagree, secure enough to challenge your ego. A weak partner protects your feelings. A strong partner protects your future. Over decades, this difference becomes enormous. A single prevented mistake can be worth millions. A single corrected decision can change the trajectory of generations. Finally, think beyond attraction. Passion fades. Beauty changes. Excitement stabilizes. If your relationship is built only on temporary chemistry, time will expose the weakness. Instead, evaluate character. How do they handle stress? How do they treat people with no status? Can they delay gratification? Are they emotionally stable without constant validation? These are long-term fundamentals, and fundamentals determine durability. Imagine yourself at 90 years old. Wealth no longer impresses you. Titles don't matter. Applause fades. What remains is the person sitting beside you. Did they strengthen your life or slowly drain it? Did they push you toward discipline or toward distraction? Did they multiply your peace or tax it daily? Over 50 years, even small emotional advantages compound dramatically. Daily encouragement compounds. Daily stability compounds. Daily loyalty compounds. And so does daily stress. The world is obsessed with optimizing portfolios. Very few optimize partnerships with the same seriousness. Yet, one decision shapes every other decision that follows. Choose based on values, not vanity. Choose based on stability, not excitement. Choose based on character, not chemistry alone. Because at the end of your life, no one will remember the trades you made. The market will continue without you. Your name will fade from financial headlines, but the quality of your life, the real measure of wealth, will be written in the story of who stood beside you. So, before you chase the next investment opportunity, look carefully at the person sharing your life. Ask yourself honestly, are they draining my energy or multiplying it? That answer will shape your empire more than any stock ever could.